Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Monday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 7th of July 2025. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 39,560 and Hang Seng is trading at 23,828. Gift Nifty is currently trading at 25,523, indicating a start in the red for the Indian market. FII sold 760.11 crore in the cash market, while DII sold 1,028.84 crore in the last trading session. India says trade pact with US should give preference to labor-intensive items like textiles and leather. RBI could tighten supervisory norms for NBFCs in FY26, experts say. Now talking about global aspects, White House says trade deals near, signals tariff deadline extension to August 1st. Elon Musk has launched a new third party in the US called the America Party. WTI fell 0.75% to $66.50 a barrel, and Brent fell 0.7% to $68.30 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 96.61. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 0.30%, up. Here is a recap of Friday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices ended higher, supported by a steady recovery in the second half of the session after declines in the previous 2 days. Despite SEBI's decision to ban US-based Jane Street for alleged derivatives manipulation, market sentiment remained resilient. However, investors stayed cautious ahead of the July 9th deadline for trade tariff negotiations. Outlook for today: Nifty 50 formed a negative weekly candle, slipping 0.69% after the prior week's gain. Despite this, it holds key levels, with the 25,250 to 25,300 zone acting as strong support. The index remains above the 21-day and 55-day EMAs, while RSI at 61 signals strength. A breach below support may trigger further downside toward the psychological 25,000 mark. On the upside, immediate resistance is seen at 25,700. A decisive breakout above this level could trigger a rally toward 26,000. Positional traders can look to buy on dips near support. Bank Nifty made a fresh all-time high of 57,628.40 this week but ended 0.72% lower, showing signs of mild profit booking. The overall chart structure remains bullish, with the index sustaining above its 21-day and 55-day EMAs. Key support lies at 56,500, aligned with the 21-day EMA. A breach may lead to further profit booking toward 56,000, though the broader trend remains strong. As long as these support levels are intact, and a buy-on-dip strategy is advisable. On the upside, 57,600 remains a key resistance. A breakout above this level could trigger a fresh rally toward 58,000. Traders should watch for price action near support zones for potential entry opportunities. Stocks on the radar: bullish view, Ultratech, Kochi Ship, Voltas, MGL, IGL bearish view, Kotak Bank, D-Mart, IRFC, IndusInd Bank, KPIT Tech. Trade of the day is bullish on Shriram Feen, buy at 676, stop loss 654. Target 710. Rationale: bullish momentum. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purposes. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.